Forms are the main interface you'll be using to interact with your data. When you create forms in Access 2007, you can provide a custom method to view and edit your data. Creating a great-looking form in Access has never been easier thanks to the help of enhanced Quick Create form commands in this latest version. Let me show you how these work. If you see the message bar on your screen, you'll need to temporarily enable the content of this database. In Part 1, Lesson 2, we discussed creating a trusted location for the Project Files folder. If you would like to create a trusted location, please refer to that lesson. If you need to temporarily enable the content of this database, here are the steps you need to take. Click the Options button on the message bar to open the Microsoft Office Security Option dialog box. Now select the Enable This Content option and click OK. What I'd like you to do next is close the opening splash screen. Next, I'd like you to click the Create tab. And here on the Create tab, you see the Forms group, and we're going to be using a lot of these to create new forms. What I'd like you to do is go to the navigation pane and single-click on Table Report Groups to highlight it. If you've ever thought designing forms in Access can be difficult, I have something to show you. I'm going to click the Form button right here and watch what happens. Did you blink? If you did, you probably just missed the fact that Access created a great-looking data entry form based on the Report Group table. Right now, Access is displaying this form in the new Layout view. Click the arrow on the Views group and switch to Form View, and let's take a look. Access created 4 controls to display the data from the 4 fields of this table. Because this table has a relationship to the Invoice Details table, Access also created a subform displaying the related data. We'll discuss subforms later in this lesson. Finally, Access created a title control for this form near the top. It added a nice graphic and even some coloring. Now how's that for fast? What I'd like you to do is close this form now, but don't save the changes. Now, click back to the Create tab and let's try the Split Form button. Access 2007 includes a new form type called Split Form. Switch to Form View and let's look at this one. A split form can simultaneously display a record in the regular form part view and also display a list of records in Datasheet view on a different part of the form. This is a brand new form type in Access 2007. Let's go ahead and close, but don't save this one either. Next, I'd like you to click Create, and then we're going to try the multiple items. If you click this one, this command creates a form type we usually call a continuous form. Let's switch to Form View on this one. A continuous form displays formatted records one after another, similar to a datasheet view of a table or a query. Let's go ahead and close, but don't save this one. The last quick create form command is the datasheet command. So click Create, and this one is under the Forms button. So click the Forms, and then click Datasheet. This looks like a table datasheet as well as a query datasheet, but in fact this is a form, and you can move around in here just as you would in a table or a query. Go ahead and close this one as well, but don't save. As you can see, the quick create form commands will help you design great looking forms very quickly.